Today's video is dedicated to your favorite brake check and road rage situations. How often do you see something like this on the road? And how can this be avoided? Write in the comments. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. This motorist has some serious trouble with proper merging. I-70 East in Indiana. Oklahoma City on the 40 East. All because I wasn't driving fast enough in the middle lane when all the other lanes were open to traffic.
So what would it have been on this current phone? Or in the old one?
I'm driving like an idiot.
Yeah.
I think it's my youngest daughter's husband birthday.
Which was 0 and 8?
Yes, something like that.
So, no.
Don't drive like an idiot. Get out of here.
January 18th. Okay, so what would your youngest daughters be?
They're reading.
Well, I want to make sure your codes aren't child passwords.
No. My youngest daughter is the day after mine, which is 21st May.
Okay.
She was born in 2014.
Will Watch Former Social coincidentally be any 13s or 69s?
But when they came back, they received a 77 in a follow-up. A place called, I don't know what this is, JTC Bless Import.
Sounds great.
At 9220 Skillman received a family score of 67.
What? Huh?
Came back.
I can't hear you.
Juice that up to a nice fat 87. Fat 87.
Okay.
You had 14 restaurants that scored between 70 and 70. A lot of these.
You have to display the C.
I think you get an opportunity to fix the issues if you have a score that is between 70 and 79. But yeah, if it's below that, then they can shut you down until you can prove that it's already open. But here's a real quick list: Fox Fuels, La Tres Salsas, Michoacana Taqueria, FSK Food Mart, Michoacana Taqueria, FSK Food Mart, Hong Kong chain, Mercot Restaurant, oh, cash saver from your that's like $5.90. You can have right there a lot. Mercot is something you can go. Dallas Spider Donuts, again. I don't fucking care, dude. I don't fucking care.
Psycho in a white Honda CR-V exits the freeway, straddles 2 lanes, kept slowing down below the speed limit, then repeatedly brake checks me before turning off the road to drop his child off at Marshall Middle School in Scripps Ranch. Driver needs to get his head examined and his license revoked.
And seniors. That's why you got to have AMAC in your corner. I stand with AMAC. Stands for the Association of Mature American Citizens. They're more than a senior discount organization. They fight for common sense and hope that our nation will return to traditional American values. I mean, we'll get there if we vote for Republicans on November the 5th. You visit GallagherforAMAC.com or just text the letters AMAC to 800-655-6453 to get an exclusive election year special for my friends at AMAC, a 4-year AMAC membership that's just $30. As an AMAC member, you not only enjoy money-saving benefits, but also the AMAC magazine, free Social Security and Medicare advice, a trusted voice in Washington, and a community of like-minded patriots who love this nation.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
And join AMAC, the Association of
Not sure what his problem was, probably off his meds. When he waved his fist, I just laughed at him because I thought it was so funny. Minding my own business, doing 73 miles per hour in the fast lane. This little waterhead decides to pull this stunt. Keep in mind, I am fully loaded at 80,000 pounds or 40 tons. I deal with this constantly. It was only by me standing on the brakes that this retard lives. At highway speeds, he would have definitely be sorry. Please don't play this dangerous game.
Secretary General says he welcomes Kenya's offer to potentially lead a multinational police force in Haiti to combat gang violence or crime. It's been rising on the island since the assassination of Haiti's president, Jovenel Moïse, 2 years ago. Jacqueline Charles with the Miami Herald has more.
It's been 9 months since the Haitian government requested international help. We've seen Jamaica say they're willing to help field some sort of multinational force, but up until now, no one has.
Minding my own business, doing 73 miles per hour in the fast lane. This little waterhead decides to pull this stunt. Keep in mind, I am fully loaded at 80,000 pounds or 40 tons. I deal with this constantly. It was only by me standing on the brakes that this retard lives. At highway speeds, he would have definitely be sorry. Please don't play this dangerous game.
What is your goddamn problem? What is your goddamn...
The guy had a road rage attitude because I didn't pass the school bus faster, because my truck can't go faster than 66. So he decided just to brake check me and try to cause the school bus to crash into the back of me. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.